ഹായ് ഫ്രണ്ട്സ്, എല്ലാവർക്കും കോപ്പറേറ്റീവ് എക്സാം ഡയറിയിലേക്ക് സ്വാഗതം. അപ്പം നമ്മളിന്ന് ഡിസ്കസ് ചെയ്യാൻ പോകുന്നത് കുറച്ച് ബാങ്കിങ് റിലേറ്റഡ് ആയിട്ടുള്ള ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻസ് ആൻഡ് ആൻസർ ആണ് കേട്ടോ. അപ്പോൾ ആദ്യത്തെ ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻ, സെൻട്രൽ ബാങ്ക് ഓഫ് ഇന്ത്യ ഈസ് ഡാഷ്. ആൻസർ റിസർവ് ബാങ്ക് ഓഫ് ഇന്ത്യ. നെക്സ്റ്റ്, ചെക്ക് ബിക്കം സ്റ്റീൽ ആഫ്റ്റർ ഡാഷ്. ആൻസർ 3 months. Next, State Bank of India was established on 1st July 1955. Next, commercial banks are governed by, the answer is Banking Regulation Act. Next, the biggest commercial bank in India is, answer State Bank of India. Next, the present governor of RBI, answer Shri Shaktikanta Das. Next, Banking Ombudsman was established by RBI with effect from, answer 1995. Next, the drawee of the check always, answer banker. Next, the term blue chip is related to, answer shares. Next, RTGS stands for, answer real time gross settlement. Next, the first scheduled bank in the cooperative sector was Kerala State Cooperative Bank or KSCB. Next, all cooperative banks are not insured banks, but dash is an insured bank. Answer Cooperative Urban Bank. Next, banks are called dash because they lend or invest funds of depositors. Answer financial intermediaries. Next, core in core banking stands for, answer centralized online real-time exchange. Next, in which system cash is stored electronically on a microchip. Answer e-purse. Next, the chief executive of RBI is called governor. Next, fixed deposits are also called as, answer time deposits. Next, HDFC Bank is a dash. Answer private bank. Next, traveler's check issued by, answer commercial bank. Next, a check bearing a date later than the date of issue, answer post dated check. Next, dash is an apex development bank for agricultural and rural development. Answer National Bank for Agricultural and Rural Development, that is NABARD. Next, 14 banks were nationalized in the year, answer 1969. Next, power to issue currency is the function of, answer RBI. Next, current deposits are also called, answer demand liabilities. Next, who can open a crossed check? Answer drawer. Next, ATM stands for, answer automated teller machine. Next, when banker is the trustee, customer is the, answer beneficiary. Next, banks generally give overdraft facility through dash account. Answer current account. Next, image based clearing system used for faster clearing of check is, answer check truncation. Check truncation. Next, the Banking Regulation Act was passed in the year, answer 1949. Next, when banks sell insurance product, it is called answer bank insurance. Next, at the time of inflation, the central bank dash government securities. The answer, central government purchases government securities. Next, when banker collect check of his customer, the banker act as his answer agent. Next, the first factoring service was started in India by dash answer SBI. Next, SIDBI was set up in the year answer 1989. Next, check bears a date earlier than the date of issue answer antedated check. Next, the dash is necessary to constitute a special crossing answer name of bank. Next, Negotiable Instrument Act was passed in the year answer 1881. Next, RBI was established in answer 1935. Next, bank note of 1 rupee is issued by answer Government of India. Next, dash is a negotiable instrument answer check. Next, NABARD stands for National Bank for Cooperative Agricultural and Rural Development. That is NABARD. Next, interest rate of deposit of a cooperative credit society is fixed by answer registrar. Next, the custodian of National Rural Credit Stabilization Fund is answer NABARD, National Bank for Agricultural and Rural Development. Next, lead bank scheme was recommended by dash committee answer Nariman committee. Next, the first bank in Kerala was answer Nedungadi Bank. Next, recruitment of staff of the Kerala District Cooperative Bank is entrusted answer PSC. Next, banks follow the system of posting name it in which answer slip. Next, which schedule of the bank balance sheet deals with the reserves? Answer Schedule 2. World Bank and IMF are answer Bretton Woods twins. World Bank and IMF are formed by Bretton Woods twins. Next, in the expansion of core banking, letter of R stands for answer real time. Next, what is also called plastic money? Answer credit card. Next, these banks were established for the weaker section of societies. Answer RRB, Regional Rural Bank. Next, when was lead bank scheme introduced? Answer 1969. Next, which institution is known as the soft loan window of World Bank? Answer IDA. Next, a bill drawn and delivered conditionally is called escrow bill. Next, IMF introduced SDR in the year 1970. Next, the Edongad Service Cooperative Bank was formed according to the provisions of dash. Answer Cochin Cooperative Society Act 1913. Next, the first land development bank in the cooperative sector in our country was set up in answer Punjab. Next, CRR denotes answer cash reserve ratio. Next, if an endorser of a negotiable instrument may by express words in the endorsement includes his own liability, such endorsement is called sans recourse endorsement. Sans recourse endorsement. Next, usual method of financing cooperative banks by NABARD is by way of answer refinance. Next, National Agricultural Credit Fund was constituted by RBI for the purpose of dash. Answer, conversion of short-term loans issued to state cooperative banks into medium-term loans on account of natural calamities. Next, first cooperative bank of India was established in dash state. Answer, Gujarat. Next, days of grace is generally allowed in the case of dash. Answer, bill of exchange. Next, the Sarvozgar credit card scheme was introduced by answer NABARD. The RRB's Act was passed in the year answer 1976. Next, in 1953, dash constituted a central committee for cooperative training. Answer, RBI. Next, bank which will be established as public sector is answer, local area banks. Next, interbank transfer system on real-time basis. Answer, RTGS. Next, bank account with nil balance or very low minimum balance is called no frills account. Next, the rate at which RBI discounts bill of exchange is called answer, bank rate. Next, crossing of a check can be done by answer, holder. Next, a bank should not open an account in the case of answer, undischarged insolvent. Next, demand draft issued by banks are answer, special order. Next, travelers checks are valid for answer, any period. Unit banking is also known as answer, correspondent banking. Next, section dash of Negotiable Instrument Act deals with the endorsement. Answer, 15. Next, commercial banks are organized in India as answer, joint stock bank. Next, a place where the representatives of banks meet to exchange checks, draft, etc. is called answer, clearing house. Next, teller system in the bank mean for answer, immediate payment up to a fixed amount. Next, where the RBI has no branches, which bank can act as its agent? Answer, SBI. Next, when loan is advanced on the basis of immovable property, it is called answer, mortgage. Next, if one has to send 100 rupees, it is cheapest to send through money order. Next, money order. Okay. Next, a bill of exchange drawn in Delhi and payable in London is an example of foreign bill. Next, protest is necessary in the case of foreign bill exchange. Foreign bill exchange. Next, an order instrument can be made payable to the bearer by making answer general endorsement. Next, the relationship between a bank and a customer is basically that of answer debtor and creditor. Next, if a bill of exchange dated January 31st, 2005 is payable 1 month after date, the due date of the instrument will be 3rd March 2005. Next, the safest form of crossing a check is answer account payee crossing. Next, nationalization means taking over existing private business by the state. Next, RFC account means answer residence foreign currency account. Next, the treasury bills are issued by answer Ministry of Finance. Next, margin money is the part of answer monetary policy. Next, a scheduled bank is required to maintain a fixed percentage of its time and demand deposit with the RBI, which is called answer cash reserve ratio. Next, IDBI was incepted in answer 1964. Next, banking for the NRIs answer foreign banking. Next, bank's difficulty is in maintaining answer liquidity and profitability. Next, increase bank credit leads to answer demand inflation. Next, which bank act as the national clearing house? Answer RBI. Thank you.